this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for the Mad About mini paper pads, where we use any of the paper pads to try to get them used up, and it's the smaller ones. So I have Pebbles Midnight Haunting, and this is back in 2017, so it's not like that old. But then I've got Crate Paper, Hello Pumpkin Paper that I'm trying to use up because I've literally got like maybe 5 pieces left. And then this is from the New Simple Stories. This is from Spellcast. I'm trying to get rid of some of this stuff, like stash bash it, because at the end of the day, I don't have a lot, but I need to get rid of some of the old so I can feel like I need to, so then I can feel like I need to purchase some of the newer collections. And then I decided that the pictures, I'm going to do the word fall, like these go in there, and it's fall shenanigans, because I don't go roller skating. Now, I rollerblade, and I do a lot of it. But my teacher friend, she's Miss Kendrick. She's my counterpart teacher. These are her friends. And she got me out there last year in October. This was during our fall break last year. And she's like, Webber, you've got to come out. It's because she always goes on a Sunday night. Well, Sunday nights, they go till 11 o'clock at night. And y'all know that I'm in bed by then, because I'm in bed so that I can go get up in the morning and get to work. Well, she goes every Sunday night, and the fall break ended up being where we have 2 days, Monday, Tuesday off. And so I went last year. And so I took this photo saying, yep, I got out there. And then she sent me this because I was in it. So I am also going to post up here in the corner the sketch from Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And the sketch that is on today is for by Dana Terry. And of course, they've got 3 photos. I only have 2, and they want it facing this way, and I'm going to be switching it. But you guys know that I always do this. So let's see what I can do. All right, so we're going to start out with obviously doing my distressing, because y'all know that I love my distressing. And I am actually going to come in with my white gel pen, my trusty, non-trusty, drives me nuts gel pen, and getting my white line in here, because obviously you're not going to see my black line. So I had to go over this like multiple times. I swear, gel pens, they're like a nemesis to me. They just drive me nuts. But once I got that done, then I'm going to figure out doing this. So as you can tell, I put the sketch that I am following from Christy's Beautiful Life up there in the corner. And obviously, as you can tell, I am flipping it because I've got 2 photos, and then my title is going to be like where the 3rd placement is. So I went and stapled this, and then I am using a black ink to do the white one, or the cream colored paper, and then this blue colored, I brought in the white just to add that little bit of something. And then I did come in with a carved pumpkin and went around the edge. I drew on the black just so that I can get my edging done around this, because I wanted to add that pizzazz and like have that 3D effect without having the 3D effect when I put down the papers. And then I do come in with my white paint stick. I always get comments regarding the paint sticks. I have my white and black one, my top line and my bottom line, like my number 1, my number 2, in the description down below. So if you're interested in those and you're wondering where I got them, they are from Amazon and they're down there. I personally like the Liquitex, but I will do both. That's down there. Now I am coming in and placing the photo with the 4 of us flat, and then I'm doing some foam tape with my rollerblades, or actually roller skates, I should say. They're not rollerblades, they're roller skates. And that is all I'm going to do there for the mini pads. I do come in and I use them. You'll see where else I pull them. First, I'm going to use this fall shenanigans, because to me it is a bunch of shenanigans. And I like that Kendrick definitely got me out of my comfort zone, because this is definitely not something that I do typically. And I absolutely loved doing it, and it was a lot of fun. I stayed as long as I could until I was ready for bed. It's so bad. Y'all, like, I need to be in bed. It is what it is. So then I went through the pattern papers that were in the mini pad, and I found these 3 that I wanted to use. I didn't really want it Halloween-ish other than that background piece, just to match the shirt that I'm wearing, because my shirt is Starbucks, but it's like a dead Starbucks lady. She's a skeleton. So I thought that to bring in that one piece of paper would be perfect. But the other 3 that I did pull in, they're more the fall stuff of the Midnight collection that is from Pebbles. And it works well with just this color tones. I just like using these colors. It works out really well. And this is where I use it. And then you'll see me come in. I'm working with one of my old stashed tag. I think it's, my tag. And I'm just getting it so that it makes out that tag, because she has 3 tags down below. And then I do place them on the side just like they kind of are. Now, I don't really do the circles that they have, but I did place the circles in my white, and then I kind of made them in the same spots, if you want to say. I am distressing those, and then I did get some twine from my stash and placed it in the circles that made these tags. And then I do come in with some candy corns and some stars that are from old stash bashing Halloween stuff that may not look like Halloween, but it is Halloween. And it matches just the tones that I like on this. And so I really love this witch. Like, it's just a fantastic. I know we're not dressed in like Halloween at all, but I love how this looks. I just love it. So then I pull out this pumpkin and I get it placed down where I want it. And then I found this black and white piece, cardstock one, and so I cut it. And I place a little bit of it up on top, and then I do place it on the side. And it fits absolutely perfect, right? I just love that little bit of black and white because I'm wearing black and white. Y'all know that I am a huge boho person. And anything dark, bohish, big, muted, it's in my wardrobe. And so then I found this cat, and I'm like, I love this stinking cat. I just love this cat. It's perfect. So I place it down there, and then I'm hemming and hawing. I'm like, what can I do? What can I do? And then I do come in with some more splatters, and then I do find my my black dots, and I do those. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. If you're coming from any of the other ones, hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. If you are here, you need to go follow everybody else that's linked down below. All of the fun stuff. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.